Essential oils have enjoyed mass popularity in the last decade, but the science of infused and essential oils dates back to ancient times. Rachelle and Steve Siefken give us a history lesson about oils used in the Bible and point out intriguing details we may have missed.
We should be studying this stuff, and we should be trying to figure it out and recognize, why were these people in ancient times using this information and we're just kind of ignoring it today? And I think there's something to it. I wish we would spend more money on some of these studies, or just maybe the government should get involved with our health industry and send studies on these. In fact, in some of the later episodes, I want to cite some people that did studies on their own, said, hey, we need to look at this more. We really need to look at
energy medicine too, I tell people all the time. I mean, I'm a naturopath. I recommend, that people try supplements all the time. I think there's going to be a day when we look back at this and go, how archaic was that? Yeah. That we took pills for everything. It was magnesium and this and that. Come on, what were we thinking? Why didn't we just use energy medicine? I think energy medicine is the future, and this is a big part of it. Yes,
absolutely. In fact, I like to share this because people are familiar with a lady named Heidi Yellen did a study in 2003 about the frequencies of fabrics even. So a similar topic, wool and linen have a high frequency of like 5,000. Mixing certain fabrics cancel out their frequency. That's interesting.
Where have we heard that before?
There's a law that says not to mix fabrics, specifically wool and linen. And, linen's used in the medical industry all the time. It was used in the priesthood, the hospitals of their day as well. So this is stuff that I think we should be open to considering and looking at that information and just seeing if it's something we should do.
It's like God knew what he was doing.
Imagine that.
Right?
Right.
Finally, she concluded people have a signature frequency of around 100. And that's where the essential oils come in. They're trying to balance your body. There's a difference. I heard it put this way. There's two types of sicknesses. You're either starving or you're poisoned. Your body's lacking some sort of a nutrient, or you have a toxin that you need to remove. And both of those things, essential oils can help you with. And the truth is, that covers almost everything.
When I worked for the Hallelujah Diet, and some people might know that name, but from 2008 to 2013, that was their big thing. All disease is caused by toxicity and or deficiency. Right. And exactly what you just said. Exactly.
I can't think of where I heard it from.
But no, that's exactly right though. Yep.
And so essential oils, they're basically the circulating juices of plants. And they have a long history going back thousands of years. And I want to share some of that history because it just fascinates me. Going to school, I wasn't a big history fan. I dreaded history class. But as an adult now, I just love history. It's one of my favorite topics. And I just can't get off of that topic from the internet. I'm always researching something and trying to find out. But essential oils have a very long history.